kids. Do you know what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn shapes. So which shape we are going to make first? Let's see. Okay, we made straight line and we are connecting all the lines. It has got all equal sides. It's a square. Yes, you're right. We just made a square. Let's move on to another shape. It looks like a ball. Can you see? It's all round. So what is it called? Absolutely right. It's a circle. Let's move on to third shape. We make a line. We're making this shape upside down, but I believe you can still guess it. Do you know which shape is it? Yes, it's a triangle. Let's move on to next shape. It is everyone's favorite shape. Oh, you've already seen it. It's a heart. And now we are going to make another shape with some lines. But this time we have two small lines and two long lines, which makes it a rectangle. Yes, it's a rectangle. Let's move on to another shape. Oh, it is similar to a triangle, but no, it has got quite a lot. It's a star. Wow, we all like stars. So now we are going to color these shapes. The first one is a square, as you already know, so we are going to color it orange. So next is a circle and we are going to color it green. In a triangle, we are going to color blue. So now we have a heart and we are going to color it red. Next we have rectangle and we are going to color it yellow. Now we have a star and we are coloring it pink.